Hello, you guys. Welcome back if you have previously seen or looked at any of my content lately. But today I am here to just shine some light on how to make your art your daily habit so you can do it every day and improve and see yourself grow, because recording yourself, whether it's in images or written words, I think it's absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. First, you should know your inspiration. So when you become a really big artist one day, you can give credit to where it's due. On to the second one, we got work hard every day. You have to try a little bit. It doesn't have to be every day, but it has to be more often than not. So number 3 is to start by drawing your favorite thing every day. If you start by doing your favorite thing and nobody can tell you to stop or not, it's very difficult. So keep it going. It's a really great way to fluffen up the snowball. Okay, so 4, we have, again, draw every now and then. So maybe you want to schedule your time. Some people are more free-minded than that, so they just, want to pick up a utensil every now and then. Side tip for number 4 is actually you don't have to need, the fanciest tools. Of course, if it's going to be a really fancy hobby of yours, you can, invest in it if you'd like, but you actually really don't need anything other than a pencil and a paper. Number 5, and this is actually the most important part, I believe. My art teacher always told me to do the thing being art. Just Shia LaBeouf it, okay? So, thank you for everything. Have a good one.